these high prices we're willing to pay. It's got me thinking. Well, what's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on, and today's topic is basically if the resale price for sneakers was the retail price, would people actually pay it? So what got me thinking about this was the whole Yeezy 700 mauve colorway that came out. I personally passed on it. Obviously anyone who didn't buy it passed on it because it was sitting on adidas.com for like 3 days. I haven't even checked if it still is on there. They probably took it down in a bit of embarrassment maybe. But the retail price was just too high for a lot of people. When it came to the OG Wave Runner, I myself was willing to pay it. Other people were willing to pay it because we've been waiting a year for the sneaker. It seemed like we was never going to get it. We eventually did get it, so we was all hype. Glad to have it. I'm still glad to have it. The 250 price, it kind of bothered me at the time. It didn't bother me that much because I actually wanted it. But when it came to the mauve colorway, a colorway that I actually like, I would love to have the pair myself. But would I love to pay $250 for it? No. I personally think that shoe should at max be maybe one, in this market anyways, max should be 170, because comparing it to like a Adidas Young One, which is pretty much the same shoe without boost, that's retails for £100, and now they've added 150 on top of that for boost and the Yeezy name. Cut that out, I'm not rolling. But when you look at the prices that sneakers go for these days, you've got like the Nike Air Presto Off-Whites. I think the colorways go for like £500 to £600, which is crazy considering retail was like £130. But the price is that high because people are actually paying it. But who, how many people would actually pay even close to that price if that was the sort of retail price of it? Let's just say like it comes to the Off-White Prestos, people are willing to pay £500–600 for it. They retail for 130. If the retail price was 300, would they still sell out? For some reason, I think they would. Going by the Yeezy 700s itself and how lovely the Prestos are, people that love them, I think if the retail price was 300, people would actually pay that and just be happy to just like, okay, I got my pair and get on with it. But it's crazy to think that that is actually possible with a sneaker these days, which is, yes, it's a collab and all that, but compared to like a normal Presto, are they adding that much material and that much more whatever to it to make it that much higher? Not really, but people would pay it. I know guys that have paid like over £1,000 for like the AJ1 Off-Whites, and fair play to them. But to the same guy, would you have paid that if that was the retail price? I know you love the sneaker, I love the sneaker, everyone loves the sneaker. But if the retail price for AJ1 Chicago Off-White was £1,000, would you pay it? Probably not, but you consider it because you've missed out, and now that's just the going rate and you're paying it. But I just don't think people would pay it if that was the going rate. Tell me if I'm wrong. Like, I know the reason why sneaker prices are going up is because partly due to the whole resale thing, because companies are seeing that, wait a second, I'm making this pair of trainers for £100. Literally 5 seconds after it's been sold, it's on the internet for 5 times the price, and people are paying it as well because we're seeing that people are paying it. And there's so many on these websites, StockX, presented by, etc, etc. Why don't we bump up our prices and then we make more money and then the resellers make slightly less money? I think that's kind of what's happening. Obviously economics, prices go up and stuff anyways, but it seems to be a giant leap at the moment. Like, I think my first pair of Yeezys, the V2s, were 150 and now it's 180. That's £30 extra, and I'm sure that was only, was it last year? Maybe it was 2016, but still, £30 jump is crazy. Remember Jordan 1s didn't used to be that expensive. I think they're 130 now as well, and don't get me started on Jordan 3s, that price tag's insane. I remember paying 135 for Jordan 11s, whereas now Jordan 11s I think 180 retail. So it's all got a bit crazy, but it is what it is. So yeah, my question to you is, if the retail price if the resale price was the retail price, do you think either you would pay it, or do you think people would pay it? Do you think they could actually get away with something as outlandish and crazy as that? You tell me. Anywho, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, ashbashsneakers. Upload videos like this every single Monday and sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. Expect some more reviews this week, hopefully on Tuesday. No, hopefully on Wednesday. I should have one up. But yeah, I'm out. Radio.